And we've worked with Troy Granite Pittsburgh for our new kitchen. Hi, my name's Bree Constantino, and we've worked with Troy Granite Pittsburgh for our new kitchen. We had a great experience working with Troy Granite. They were extremely professional, quick. The install went seamlessly, very clean job site, and we are so excited to use our new countertops. I like the leathered finish because it has an earthy feel to it. I like the texture. It's in line with the aesthetics for our house. We would definitely recommend Troy Granite to friends and family for any countertop needs. We'll definitely call them again.